Okay, so if you're shooting red dots and you had your rounds all around your target, most likely you were focusing on your dot. Okay, so everybody's shooting irons, close your ears right now, earmuffs. So if you're shooting a red dot, you want to be target focused. The purpose of that red dot is so I can keep that target clear in my field of view, and as I bring it up, that red dot superimposes right across that target and I can press my shots. But I want to be target focused with a red dot. If I'm not, that's when you see those rounds start to creep around. The same thing as if you don't have a clear front side tip with iron sights. Does that make sense for my red dot shooters? Okay. Again, like Matt was talking about, for red dot shooters, you need to have backup irons. Don't be fishing around for the red dot. As we're going to start talking about pistol presentation and things like that. Don't be fishing around for the red dot. Present the pistol as we're going to show you. Look for your irons, and the red dot, that red ball will fall right in there, and you'll be able to pick it up on your eyes much quicker. Okay. Like I said, I hear a lot of students being like, "Oh, I can't see my dot. I can't see my dot." Hey, shoot your irons, and that red dot will fall in there. Cool. Okay. Any questions on focal plane as far as shooting irons versus dots or anything like that? That makes sense to everybody? Okay, cool.